All right, gang. I think we've all been reading a lot of tips and tricks and hacks. And so I'm going to do a little series called Tara Tries, where we're going to try out these hacks. One of them is dental floss. I know. By the way, if you've ever gone down the aisle and tried to purchase original floss, good luck, because there's about 982 different flavors of dental floss. But you want to find the one that is original, meaning no flavor. With this dental floss, I have been told I can cut cakes with icing, I can cut cheesecake, and I can even cut some soft cheeses. I have not tried this. This is the truth. I am doing this live with you guys here. I'm a little suspect since I can't even get the dental floss cut, if I'm going to be able to cut a cake with icing. But here it is, and here we go, okay? I'm a little stressed, I'm not going to lie. Dental floss, I got it nice and taut. I'm going to go, oh, come on! Wait a second. You guys, this actually worked. Yes, it did. Oh, yes, it did. Hold on, please. Look. That just sliced perfectly an iced piece of cake. Okay, check. All right, let's do a cheesecake. Here's the best part. Yep, I get to try it. I'm also the taste tester. Here is a cheesecake, which we know can be dense and a little bit thicker. Get it nice and taut and give it a little shimmy. You guys, oh, it absolutely works. Look at that. It actually cut the piece perfectly. You might want to remove the dental floss before serving. Just a little extra tip from me, okay? But look at that. That just cut that cheesecake perfectly. My mind's blown. I'm not going to lie. All right, I saved what I was the most suspect about for last. And that's going to be, I grabbed some goat cheese, right? Some soft cheese. All right, I'm going to take my dental floss. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. This is like, as the kids like to say, child's play. This goes right down and literally slices each and every piece perfectly. Okay. This hack is Tara approved. Absolutely. If I can do it, there's no doubt you absolutely can do it. So when you're in a pinch and you have some plain dental floss, feel free to slice ice cakes, cheesecakes, soft cheese, and beyond. You're welcome.